Hello, Thomas here with Hayden Home's customer service. Today I wanted to go over a couple of components with your sprinkler systems and how and when to address overwatering and how to also maintain a nice green luscious yard. So if you look, you'll notice that this yard is beautiful, it's lush. Everyone wants a yard that looks like this. However, with proper watering and just knowing how and when to do that, the other thing you would want to do would be fertilizing your yard. So that's something we highly recommend, so keep that in mind. Overwatering can be a huge issue when it comes to yards. It can be very easy to overwater and kill a yard or kill plants and trees. A good example of overwatering would be over here. We've got a section where it rained yesterday, and you'll notice that there's standing water. So anytime you see standing water or excess water on your property, you always want to identify where the water's coming from. So either check your own sprinkler system or check with a neighbor or try to find out or identify where the water's coming from first. If it was your system, then you would want to shut it off temporarily for a day or so and try to get it to dry out to determine whether or not it was you or something else. This situation where it's rained, typically in about a 72-hour period, this should dry up and should go away, and it is considered normal. If you ever have any questions, please reach out to us at Hayden Homes. Thank you.